Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time watching, my name is Shelby and I created this look right here. It is just my updated everyday makeup look, and I do use a few new products, probably all new, and I also review a new product that just came out, so let's keep watching. And I do have a little bit of blemishes everywhere, course. So first I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I rub it in my fingers and then I put it on my face. Now I'm going to be going in with the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation. And I did tan last night, so my face is a little whiter than my neck and chest area, but that's why I always pick a foundation that is the same shade as when I'm tan for my face. Ooh, that drip. I've been using the Morphe foundation for a few weeks now, and I've actually really liked it. And throughout the day, it just still stays so matte on my face, and it doesn't really crease up on me. Now I'm going to be going in with the Morphe concealer. And then I like to put a little bit on my forehead, tip of my nose, lip and chin. And then I'm going to be going in with a little bit of the Born This Way concealer. And since it's just like a tad bit lighter, I just like to put a little bit in the corner, just kind of mix in a little bit with all the other places. Then I'm going to spray a little bit of the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist on my beauty blender. Now let's blend this in. Then I'm going to use the flat side of the beauty blender to make sure the foundation and concealer just really blended in. Now I'm going to be going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. And then I'm going to be going in on the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JHO6 brush. And what I love about this powder, it's literally blurs away all my creases and wrinkles. I don't think any other powder has done this amazing on my face. I wanted this powder for so long, and then I bought it and I was like, why didn't I buy it so much earlier? And now I'm going to go do my eyebrows and I will be right back. And now I'm going to be going in with my Airspun Loose Powder. And now I'm going to be using the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JHO7 brush. And I use this to set under my eye a little bit. You kind of have to be careful. Well, for me, I kind of have to be careful with it because it can tend to give me a little flashback. So that's why I use a brush instead of a beauty blender to kind of set in my areas. And then I use it a little bit to kind of set my eyes for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be going in with the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer. And I just use a Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JHO2 brush. And first I do my forehead. Like I said, I got a big forehead, so I try to make it not as big. And now I'm going to be going in with the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JHO5 brush, and that's what I use to kind of bronze up my cheeks a little bit. Now I'm going to be going in with the Hoola bronzer because this is what I use to kind of do more of my contour. And I kind of take this a little bit lower where my contour is because it kind of defines it a little more. So you can tell the difference, how it's just like, how it just sucks you all in. And now I'm just going to take a Morphe M437 brush, and this is what I use to kind of wipe away that translucent powder. Now I'm going to be going in with the Morphe M433 brush, and this is what I use to contour my nose. And I'm going to use the Marc Jacob bronzer because I don't want to use the Hoola because I don't want my nose contour to be too dark. And I just use a light hand. Now I'm going to be going in with the KAB Cosmetics Barely Legal blush, and you can so tell that I've used it so freaking much. This is my favorite blush by her, and as I said in my last video, I'm in love with her blushes. It is like my favorite product ever in her line. And then I'm going to be going in with the Morphe M310 fan brush, and this is what I use to put on my blush. It's more of like a corally type color, which I think this is perfect for an everyday type look. Now I'm going to be going in with a beauty blender, and I'm going to go in with my translucent powder, and now I'm just going to cut my contour. But I start all the way from the top of my ear, kind of midway on my jawline. And then I make sure if it's kind of even, and it is. Now I'm going to be going in with a little bit of the Marc Jacobs bronzer, just to kind of define a little bit of my jawline and under my chin where that freaking double chin is. And for my eyeshadow, I don't go too crazy with it. I only use my bronzers just to add a little bit of color to my eyes. I'm going to be going in with the Morphe R37 brush, and I'm going to be going in with the Marc Jacobs bronzer. And I just go ahead and put this all in my crease area. And I do kind of like to go right in my upper inner corner towards my eyebrow. And then I'm going to be going in with the Hoola bronzer just to add a little bit more depth and make it a little darker in my eyes. And I just kind of put this more in my crease area. See, it just kind of makes it a little tad darker. And now I'm just going to be going in with this Kylie Jenner flat brush. I'm not sure which one it is, but I will link it down in my description box. And then I'm going to be going in a little bit with the Hoola bronzer, and this is what I use for my lower eyelash line. And then I kind of diffuse it up in my top eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be going in with the MAC Extended Play Mascara, and I'm just going to put this on my top lashes. I just like to put a teeny tiny little coat. I don't go too dramatic with my real lashes. And now I'm going to be going in with the Lily Lashes So Extra Miami, and as y'all know, in my beauty highlights on my Instagram, this is literally my everyday lash. They're my favorite. And then I just go in with the Duo Brush On Adhesive. And while I wait for my eyelashes to dry, that's when I just go in and I wipe away my translucent powder because I don't want it to sit on too long. I'm going to pop these on real quick and I will be right back. So I put my lashes on, and what I love about these lashes, because I have very hooded eyes and I always have to find lashes that kind of have a spacing in them, because it just opens my eye up a little bit more. I can't really do like those cat eye effect type lashes. I have to have very wispy long ones, and that's why I just love the So Extra Miami ones. And now I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and I'm just going to take all that foundation off my lips just to have a very clean lip to do our lipstick. And then before I apply my highlighter, I always go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist Spray just so my highlight can go on a little bit more dewy and glowing. And now I'm going to be going in with the KAB Cosmetics Loose Powder Highlight in the shade Fiji. And then the brush I'm going to be going in with is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH09 Highlighter Brush. And then I'm going to go in with the Tatcha Luminous Skin Mist Spray. And I just sprayed this 2 times, not much at all. Ooh. This is my favorite highlight. I love it. But I like to focus it more right on that cheekbone right there. Yes. Now I'm gonna go on the tip of my nose, and then the bridge, then the top of my lip, and then my chin. And I'm just gonna put a little tiny bit right above my eyebrow, just to kind of have that glow a little bit. And now I'm going to be going in with the Morphe M213 brush, and this is what I use to highlight my brow bone. And then same thing, I spray a little bit of the Dewy Skin Mist. Oh yeah. And then now I'm going to be going in with the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH39 brush to do my inner highlight. Same thing, I spray my inner highlight. And now I'm going to be going in with my Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper. Even though my lips are already full and plump, this just kind of adds to it and I love it. And then I just kind of let this sit on for like 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm just going to wipe away the lip plumper. I'm going to be going in with the new KAB Cosmetics lip kit in the shade Glazed. So this is a little card that comes in the box. It says KAB Cosmetics and it has Kim, Brielle, and Ariana on it. And they wrote just a little cute note on the back. So this is what it looks like inside. They have this cute little message and then the products, and each lip kit comes with a lip liner, a lip gloss, and a lipstick and a pencil sharpener. And I think that's so cool how with every lip kit you get, a pencil sharpener comes in it. So on the KAB Cosmetics website, I'm just going to tell y'all a little bit about the Glazed lip kit. So the Glazed lip kit, it features a brown lip liner, a gold iridescent nude lip gloss, and a light beige toned matte lipstick and pencil sharpener. So the Glazed lip kit is a neutral lip kit. So if you're just wanting something really neutral and nudie, I would totally go with this one. And I love it because all their lip kits have the scent Vanilla Cupcake. It smells so freaking good. So now from the lip kit, I'm going to be going in with the brown lip liner. And with all their lip kits, I know they do make darker lip liners because that is what helps make your lips look more plump and fuller. And then after you put on the lip liner, then you go in with the lipstick. Oh my god, it just smells so freaking good, guys, and it literally feels so hydrating on your lips. I am crazy about this formula, and it also feels super lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy and thick on your lips, which I love. And then after you put on the lipstick, that's when you go in with the gloss. And after you put on the gloss, it just feels even more hydrating. And with the gloss formula, it doesn't feel sticky at all. It just feels amazing. And even after putting on the lipstick and lip gloss, they literally go on so creamy. So yeah, that is it for the KAB Cosmetics lip kit, and you can go follow their Instagram. It's just KAB Cosmetics. Y'all did such an amazing job. I fell in love with y'all's lip kits, and I will be ordering more from y'all. So okay guys, well this is the finished look. I hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in the upcoming videos. Bye guys. Oh my gosh. And I just got it on my mirror. Okay, cool. And today I didn't recreate. This is my own damn look. It takes me forever to record an intro. Okay, and I just like to look just, okay. 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 I can't get happy. I can't. Okay, let's do it one more time just to have a little bit more footage.